Hi, I'm Kathy Nixon, and with my husband David, we own and operate Nixon Lawn Maintenance and Landscaping, and we love our John Deere Middletown Tractor dealership here in Uniontown, Pennsylvania. We've been in business for 25 years, and we've started with their dealership there. And over time, Middletown has become a really important part of our services that keeps our 6 mowing crews on the road every day. David Nixon was an employee with Agway, and when Agway stopped their business in Uniontown, he had been running a fertilizing crew and took over those accounts and of course cut grass on the side, and he started business with an employee from there as a partnership and formed E&N Lawn Maintenance. In 1996, David became a sole proprietor of Nixon Lawn Maintenance and Landscaping, and we have owned and operated the business together ever since then. We are a mowing and landscaping company with a fertilizing service also. We have 6 mowing crews, we have 6 landscapers, we have 2 men running the fertilizing operation, and we operate with the idea of providing the complete maintenance on a customer's property. It's not unusual once we start mowing, we take on the fertilizing and take on the landscaping and go through the season with the services as they're appropriate for the time of the year. Installing mulch, trimming shrubs, planting plants, snow removal services, and even Christmas decorating. So we've tried to make it run for the whole season as best as we can. We have used John Deere equipment from the very beginning. With a local dealership and parts and service department, it was important that we have those services available to us. And Steel has been a big brand that we use, and some other mowers for some other types of services or some other equipment. But John Deere has been in our lives for a long time. Well, my husband makes most of the equipment purchases. He is staunch on that we have reliable equipment. He likes to bag grass clippings, so having features with decks and baggers that work well. There's a lot of terrain to consider here when we cut, so we do need different types of equipment, but they have a wide variety, so we've used everything from walk-behind mowers to stand-on mowers to riding lawn mowers with different sizes of decks, and that worked out very well. We have purchased a lot of equipment there, and I always feel that they understand our needs and always try to give us a great deal and take really good care of us. They're a great team. The parts department is wonderful. They help me decide what I need, what might be best, and get parts as quick as they can, and just basically help, because when you need a part, you need a part, and they do their best to get it to me as quickly as they can. With some of the people here that are able to help us work on the equipment, we get parts, and I guess that's a testimony to John Deere equipment not needing that much service. It really is the people. They really take good care of us. Parts are parts. When you need them, you need them. They do the best to get them in our hands as quickly as possible, but it is the attention that they give us when we come through the door. They're efficient, they're understanding, they're considerate. They have a lot of sympathy for me when I come in an emergency, and I know it's the people that make the difference.